What's going on, everybody? It's JT from Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video, man. Today's video got me very excited, man, because one of my students, Mauricio, shout out to you, man. He just uploaded some proof yesterday inside the elite group. As you can see right here, in the last 2 weeks, he been made, let me see, 500. This is like 15, probably over $1,500 in the last week or two, promoting Clickbank products, using my strategies inside the elite course. As you can see, the key is lookalike audiences, a good bridge page, and a good offer equals money. I keep telling y'all, man, y'all gotta keep testing, building up these lookalike audiences, and just running traffic, man. That's all it really comes down to. You can see, look at this, man. The craziest part is he making more money than me. So just because I'm not making, thousands a day yet, don't mean that you can't. As you can see, his results is better than mine over the last couple weeks. So don't let somebody else's results stop you from testing stuff out. Like, oh, if he's not doing it, then I can't do it. You can see this proof in the pudding right here. Now, what I'm going to do is reach out to him, see how much he spent, just to see what his, his ROI is like, because, everybody always want to know. But, I mean, look at this, man. This is good stuff. Whether he's spending $1 and turning into $2, that's still amazing, man. Congratulations to you, Mauricio. Upload some more proof, man, in the next week or two, just to see how your campaigns is going to motivate everybody else. But yeah, man, that's all I really want to do in this video. Just shout out my student. Congratulations, man. Keep going, keep killing it, doing your thing. And if you want to become a member yourself, you can do that by clicking the link in the description. It should be the first one, titled Elite Course. And you can become a part of the community. You get all these free videos. Well, not free videos, I know what I mean. You get lifetime updates. You get access to the private members group where you can share knowledge with other people, post motivation, ask questions, and things like that. Let's see. I pretty much go over everything I know with all this stuff. CPA networks, offer selection, campaigns, ads creation, spying, testing, everything under the sun. Then another thing y'all could do is actually just post in the group what type of updates y'all want to see inside the course, and I will try to get on it as soon as possible. But that's pretty much all I got for this video, man, and I will see y'all in the next one.